Good morning everyone, I am Bhavya. I have just written my board exam. I am a student at NATCO School of Learning, Hippocampus. Studying from a CBSE board felt way easier thanks to the SRT program, which stands for Structured Revision and Testing.
I am Pooja. I am studying at NATCO School of Learning, Hippocampus. With maths and science tests daily twice a week and daily sit tests using pull-out worksheets made me consistent and focused. When I need extra help, remedial support sessions after school really helped me a lot to gain confidence and to stay focused. And for the subjects I loved, I got to dive deeper with challenging questions and expert guidance.
Good morning. I am Vishnu Sripriya from NATCO School of Learning, Hippocampus. I am here to say about IRP, which means Intensive Revision Program. Hippocampus started this program back in July, and this helped us to scale up our scores, and this is amazing. Our teachers helped us to overcome tough topics by slip tests, and this made a huge difference.